What's going on, everyone? Today I'm taking a look at something I really love is making your home a little bit more smarter, and this Ultraloq which got sent to me does just that. It has a smartphone unlock, lock, fingerprint, code, and also you can use a key. So let's dive right into it. We're gonna open this box and then put it in here and test it out if it all works as it should. So let's take a look at what we have inside here. So we have the manual here. Let's just open this one here. Also the diagram which to install the lock itself. Let's put that away. So also I have the Wi-Fi dongle as well. This is optional. But if you're gonna use a smartphone to unlock or get like any notification or connect it with your Alexa or Google, definitely I suggest getting this because it's worth it. It makes it worth it because you can connect everything. Pretty much what my plan is to connect this with my lights, also with my camera. So let's say I'm leaving the house, when I lock it, it's gonna turn on the camera automatically, so everything works seamlessly. And as well, when I get home, unlock the door. When I get inside, it's the camera will turn off. That's my plan. Hopefully it works. So inside we do have the lock itself here. And to open it, the battery compartment down here. So we're gonna pretty much test it out after we put it on if it all works out. So the cool thing is here, we do have the keypad, also the fingerprint reader, and it should open here, so it can reveal when you need to get in with the key. So it should reveal the lock. I should have read the manual to do this. Okay, so pretty much what you need to do is you need to pull it a little bit, then just pull it down, and that reveals the key. So you have all those options. For example, if one fails, at least you have the key. You can go ahead and use that. And also down here we do have a USB connection as well. If the batteries fail or anything like that, you can just put a power bank in there and power it on so you can get inside. So you got those options. And the rest here, we got the batteries, more of the tools that are needed to install the lock itself. So enough talk, let's go ahead and put this on. So pretty exciting. I've gone ahead and put all this on here for you guys. Obviously I'm gonna need to put this on a real door, but everything went smoothly, no issues at all. So right now I can go ahead and unlock and lock the lock here. Let's go ahead and turn it around here. So if I wanna go ahead and lock it, just press this button and that's it. You get this nice little green light here. And so I'm gonna go ahead and put this Wi-Fi dongle in, install the app, and take it from there. Alrighty, so I've gone ahead and connected the U-bridge, so just plugged it in. It found the smart lock, just needed to enter my Wi-Fi password, and that was it. So now this smart lock is Wi-Fi enabled. I definitely recommend, if you guys gonna get a smart lock like this, definitely get the Wi-Fi dongle because it just makes it much better, because you're gonna be able to receive notifications if you're not home, or lock or unlock the door from anywhere. Or you can just do this. Unlock my door.
Sure, unlocking the door.
So that is pretty cool because you're able to connect it through your Google and all that, make your smart home a little bit smarter, which is pretty cool. So I had no issues with this. Everything works perfectly. Fingerprint reader worked seamlessly. Everything worked great. No problems with the installations or anything like that. Usually whenever I get a product, there's usually some issues. But with this, no issues with the app or with the lock. And the other cool thing which you saw there, after a few seconds, it does lock the door automatically, which is a good idea. Let's say the door is unlocked, I'm going out, I would just click the lock button there and you're all set. And also, whenever you're clicking the fingerprint, you're gonna receive a notification if someone goes in, so you know exactly who went in. Really hope you guys enjoyed this review. Love when I get to review products like this, which give me no problems at all. And also, I don't need to go in my pockets to find my keys anymore. I can just use my fingerprint and or use my smartphone to get in. Give it a like if you guys enjoyed the video. Also, click that subscribe button and notification bell for more reviews like this. I'll see you guys next time.